why is the Bayonera an essential entry point for both seasoned ballet lovers and first-time theater goers in the Philippines?
Sorry, I didn't understand the question.
Why is the Bayonera an essential entry point for both seasoned ballet lovers or first-time theater goers in the Philippines?
Okay. I don't know if you watched the viral video that I made where I was mouthing the words of this big mind scene between Princess Gazelle and Nikia. It's the mind scene that almost ends Act 2. And, sorry, it ends Act 1. It ends Act 1. And the comments there, because it has almost like 1 million views already, despite the fact that it's 3 point, I think, more than 3 minutes long. And according to my daughter, that's good. That means people are sharing it. I think what's so great about Balayer, is it has that. It has the dramatic mind between the characters, and then it has the big classical adaptation and the big classical killing of the shades, where it's just pure dancing, classical, clean technique, ballet form. And then it has so many different character dances from during the wedding, because it's set in India. You have that golden idol, this magnificent solo of the golden idol, that's already iconic, where this guy just jumps and turns and all of that, and all painted in gold. Then you have the parrot dance, where the girls are dancing with parrots on their hands. And then again you have the drama of, two women fighting over one guy. And how manipulative the Raja is and Gonzalo is to be able to murder Nikia in Act 2 by planting, a snake in the cave that they say. They said, oh, this comes from Sodor. So first Nikia, all trusting, dances with this bouquet of flowers, and there's a snake. Always poisonous snake in there. So it's so dramatic. So that's why I feel that if a first timer comes to watch the Bayonera, they see the whole story unfold, and you become a ballerina, you fall in love with ballet because it's so dramatic and exciting. And I also feel that La Bayonera as a full-length ballet is one of the most beautiful and complete ballets. There's an argument between what is better, Swan Lake or La Bayonera. I don't know. To each their own, but I feel that the Bayonera has a little bit of an edge over Swan Lake. Why? Because the drama, because of